Hello, this is Ate Dol Domondon. See, gusto kong kumain ng prutas. To dragon fruit, so big, very big. I open already. See, I even bite. Ang tamis niya. There. Kaso lang mamula ang dila after. There, pero ang tamis niya. This is so good for your health. There. There. Let's eat. Late na kaming bumangon ni Mr. Ling kasi mahirap matulog. And then mamaya 6 o'clock punta kami ng CCC sa club, kakain ng dinner. See? Bago ang lahat, I want to shout out kay Balsantos Matubang, Ate Ina Vlogs, Kalingap Rob, Ambassador Jose, Kalingap Jose, Ambassador Pastor Di Morello, shout out, Kindred TV, shout out. Sa last